Hey, alright guys, I welcome you all to this video where I'll be showing you how to allow firewall on any application. You know, sometimes when you install some application, firewall will notify you, it will block the application on your system. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow the firewall to access the application. The first system here, where you have the start button, click on start button here, click on settings. Under settings there, you have the option right there to navigate through this update security, or you can come to search by and type via firewall here. But let me show you the step by step so that you don't need to search through the search bar. Just come to system and security here. Under System and Security, click on Windows Security. Under Windows Security, you will see where we have Firewall Network Protection. Click on it. Now it will pop up another interface, excuse me. Under the interface, locate where we have Allow App through Firewall. When you click on it, it will pop up another prompt here. Just click on Change Settings. After you might have clicked on Change Settings, click on Allow Another App. Now it will ask you to locate where you have the application on your system. But now let me go through the browse so that I can locate where I have the app on my system. On C drive, okay, program file, Adobe. Okay, now you just install an Illustrator application. Now you want to add this app on this firewall. Now don't click on it. Support file, content, Windows. Now this is the app in which I want to add. Now click on the app and click on open. Now the app has displayed. Just click on add. The application has been added here. As you can see now, I have the app added here. Okay, just click on OK. The app has been added to Firewall. It means that I allow the application through Firewall. Next time, anytime I launch the application, the Firewall will not detect the application as virus again. If you will find this video helpful, like this video and share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.